Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings at the top. Then click on I accept in the pop-up, and from here you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on a home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!